So that's the first thing you're going to see is the R value, and then right under that, craft. And what that means is it's got the paper on it, right? And the paper, opposed to over here, which is unfaced, the paper is basically a vapor barrier. And so that's important, right? It's important to install that correctly. That's always going to go towards the heated space, towards the conditioned space. We see that messed up all the time when we go in and remove bad insulation, where the paper is facing down, right? Such as in a basement, instead of facing up towards the living area, towards the conditioned space, it's facing down. And not only does that defeat the whole purpose of the vapor barrier, but it also is a fire hazard technically, which it shows right there on the paper as well. So that's the first mistake that many people make. The difference between faced and unfaced, right? Why do both of those exist, right? When would I use faced? When would I use unfaced? So the answer is pretty much when you want a vapor barrier or not. And the case in which you will not want a vapor barrier is when there's already a vapor barrier and you don't want to sandwich moisture together. So an example would be if you've got, right, a zip wall on the outside or spray foam, right, which both of those, a zip wall, which is foam board, both of those would act as vapor barriers. If you put paper faced fiberglass, then you're creating a moisture sandwich basically with two vapor barriers. So in that case, right, if you have a zip wall on the exterior or spray foam, you're going to want to use unfaced, and that way there's only one vapor barrier to block the moisture, and it doesn't creep in and get sandwiched between the two, which can cause all sorts of moisture issues called mold, rot, etc.